Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to watch basketball games, NBA or WNBA on Prime Video, the process is a bit different from NFL because availability depends on broadcast rights and channel ads or add-ons, not full exclusivity. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to watch NBA or WNBA games on Prime Video in 2026 clearly and realistically. Okay, so first thing, open Prime Video, like launch Prime Video on your phone or laptop, okay, whether it's an app or website. Go to the home screen. Be ready to explore sports content, like check sports or live section, okay, so look for sports or live and upcoming in this page. Okay, so scroll for basketball content. Occasionally shows featured games. Okay, so search for NBA or WNBA. Okay, use search here, okay, and search, for example, the thing that you want to find. Okay, so the NBA, for example, as you can see, so it displays available games, replies, or related content. So check access type, like you may say included with Prime, okay, channel required, or rent or buy. So always verify before clicking. So subscribe to a sport channel, like some games may require channels like sports add-ons. Okay, so go to channel section, subscribe to a sports provider, and return to the game. So now it unlocks more live content. Okay, so start watching, like tap start live, and game streams instantly if available. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.